ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor to convey warm greetings and prayers of His Majesty the King, Her Majesty the Queen, and people of Bhutan to the government and all the friendly people of Bangladesh. I strongly believe that all of us, all human beings, and for that matter, all the nations in the world, must have a story to share. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman has given Bangladesh a very good story to share with the global population. I'm so proud today that I get to sit next to Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina to listen to this story. I'm so proud because Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina is an inspiring leader, a mother-like figure for me. Thank you. I'm sure Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is very proud of Bangladesh and proud of his daughter, Her Excellency Sheikh Hasina. While we have many bilateral engagements, I have seized the opportunity to visit Bangladesh this time with sole intention to pay tribute to Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman and his historic legacies that laid strong foundations for peaceful, progressive, and prosperous Bangladesh. I've come here to pay respect to a daughter who has developed deep commitments to realize her father's dream of Sonar Bangla. Like I mentioned earlier, she is one such leader who places the freedom and happiness of her people before everything. Bangladesh has progressed at all levels. The improvements are so visible each time I visit the country. Especially in the last one decade, the strides that is made by Bangladesh in the economic front is commendable. Despite the pandemic, you have been able to retain one of the highest GDP growths in this continent. Congratulations for that. The development forecast is even more impressive. The future ahead is very bright for Bangladesh and Bangladeshis. We are proud of the progress that is being made by Bangladesh because we know that strong economy of Bangladesh will be an impetus for Bhutan and the region. This year is also very special as we have enjoyed last 50 years of bilateral relations between the two countries. As we strive to secure for more success and achievements, we will definitely be working closer at different levels in times to come. On this note, Your Excellency, on behalf of all my delegation, I would like to thank the government and people of Bangladesh for the opportunity to be part of this historic event and for the cordial hospitality accorded to us. May the legacy of Father of the Nation echo for eternity, as beautifully inscribed by the poet Ananda Shankar Roy. Again, I get tempted to try and quote what he said in Bengali. Jotodin robe potna Jamuna Gori Meghna Bohman Totodin robe Kriti Tumar Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. এই কথাগুলি আমার বেশ ভালো লেগেছে। খুবই শক্তিশালীর কথা। আজকের এই কথাটা আমার মনোদারুণ নিয়ে আমি আপনাদের সবাই সকালে ধন্যবাদ জানাতে চাচ্ছি। Especially, thank you very much, Your Excellency, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, all the dignitaries, and all the guests that are gathered here for giving me and Bhutan this space to hear this true story. We remain inspired. Thank you very much.